To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then go to the chat conversation where you want to set a reminder for the post. Now long press on the message you want to set a reminder for. At the top of the pop-up menu, you will see a new bell icon. If you don't see it, make sure your WhatsApp app is updated. Now tap on it. A menu will slide up from the bottom. Choose a preset reminder time such as 2 hours, 8 hours, or 24 hours. You can also select a custom date and time. This feature helps you stay organized, by ensuring you don't forget important messages or tasks. The reminder has been set, and a bell icon will appear on the message as confirmation. You'll receive a notification from WhatsApp at the selected time. If you want to cancel the reminder, long press the message again. Then tap the Cancel Reminder icon from the top. The reminder will be removed, the bell icon will disappear from the message, and you won't receive a notification. You can set reminders for both sent and received messages. Currently, the feature is only available to Android beta users, and not yet available on iOS. So that's how you can set reminders for messages on WhatsApp.